Hello, welcome to another episode. Usually in this channel, we talk about different products that you can make with a vinyl cutter and how to make the most of it. It doesn't matter what type of vinyl cutter you own. It could be a Cameo 4, a US Cutter Titan, even a Graphic. We'll talk about these products in just a second. But for today's episode, we want to talk to you about different products that you can sell without making a huge investment. In fact, all you will need is a computer, a vector software, all logos or designs, and a few dollars. Before moving on, if this is the first time you are watching our videos and own any kind of vinyl cutter, remember that you can make custom shirts, car decals, car magnets, yard signs, vinyl banners, and a lot more. And that's why you should definitely go and check out our channel. Right after this video, of course. All right, before we even get started, I just want to make it clear we're not being sponsored by any of the companies that we are going to talk about. The way we're going to make money through this video is if you get any vinyl cutters, any vinyl or anything through the links in the description of the video, that's how we're going to make money through Amazon. Also, if you watch this video until the end, I know we cannot stand those ads, but those are the ones that pay and help us support our channel. We appreciate all the support. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, we are going to mainly focus on Godprint because this is the only company that we have used so far. And I will get more into details about different orders that we have placed before. And one of the few problems that we've had so far with this company, and we've been using it for quite some time. So this will be the main one, Godprint, but there are also different options, and we're not saying that you should get them from Godprint. That's why I'm going to show you different options. The second one is Uprinting. We try to use it in the past. We like the prices from Godprint better. Honestly, I haven't checked recently. I gotta take the time to go through each product and see what their prices are. But the other option is Vistaprint. Again, I'm just bringing you the idea of how to make some additional money because we do not want to rely in just one source of income. So if you go to Godprint, you can see that they have all kinds of different options. They got business cards, they got all kinds of signs like yard signs. You can even get banners and also stickers and labels. And in just a few seconds, I will show you different designs that we have used before and different orders. So let's go to my account and let's go to this order, the most recent one, and it's for yard signs. And let's talk a little bit about the prices. If you guys can see here, the quantity was 3 yard signs, and this is how much we paid, $70.29. I know they're not cheap, but believe me, you can easily sell it for double, like $140, $130. So if you look at it, it's not like you're gonna get rich overnight, like I said it, but it's a good way of making at least $50, $60. And another thing that I want to talk about, and now I'm gonna switch to our designs. We have different samples here. This is the product that we sell the most, business cards. And I just want to let me get a little close. And every single design except this one here, this is the first design I want to talk about. This is from our friend Eduardo. So we worked with him, we helped him. He was just getting started and he wanted to learn how to apply vinyl decals, how to make them, how the whole process works. He only had a picture of the business card and we helped him to vector the image. This was after he had applied the decals because the design needed a lot of work, and we helped them make it a little better. And you can see here that the lines are much better compared to the way the decals looked. But he was just learning. So I'm not criticizing him, but he did the best he could. But he brought the decals already cut and we only helped them apply them. And honestly, he did great. I'm gonna make sure to leave his video. So all of the other designs share one thing in common except the one I just talked about. And that is we either made t-shirts, car magnets, vinyl signs. We had the design already. And now let's talk about this design in particular, for the labels. This was the very first time that we sold this type of product because honestly, we had only made or ordered yard signs, business cards,
magnets, banners, I forgot what else, but the labels was the first time that we got it, and honestly, our customers very happy with the design, no, not the design, but the product. And I mean, honestly, it is a good product so far. We're very happy with this company with God Print. And now let's go back and show you all different orders. So this was for the yard sign. I already showed you that. And now let's go back and look at the other images that we have here. So these were the labels that I was talking about, and just to give you an idea, we paid this much. Let's go to the bottom one because the previous one is basically the same. We just had a little issue with the with our debit card, but let me click on it and just give you an idea of how the front looks and then the back. For this customer in particular, we made car magnets and some t-shirts, and it was nice that we could offer an extra product, and that was the business cards.
Are you currently outsourcing any of these products, or are you familiar with any of the companies that we are talking about today in this video? Let us know in the comments. We would like to know.
Here's another example of business cards that we already had the design. We made t-shirts for this company. It is a very simple design, as you can see here. All we did was just added the like extra letters and stuff. So very simple. A way of making extra money. The only time that we've had any issues with this company was when we placed an order for something. I think it was business cards, but it wasn't their fault because it was the shipping company that they had an issue with. The box came open and we were missing several business cards. I mean, of course, we did a report. I forgot what happened afterwards. I think we got a refund, but we had to send them pictures. We've been working with this company for quite some time. As I said, it is not like we're getting rich overnight. It's good that we can make some additional money. And the best part of it is that you can give a better deal because, as I said, you already have the design and you're not making the product yourself. I mean, I'm not saying go and tell your customer you're not going to make it. I mean, be upfront, but I'm not saying, because I'm not going to make it, I'm going to give you a better deal. Because if you do that, people will take advantage.
I'm gonna make sure to leave a link that will take you straight to one of the videos where we show you step by step on how to place an order from this company. This is it for today's video, and remember, if you want to support us, of course give us a like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. But you can also get any materials in the description of the video. We have several links. We will make a small commission. Also, on the very first comment, we're gonna have all the links available. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you guys until the next one.